Welcome back again. Now that you are familiar with how to set up the ELSA apps, we'd like to show you some of the important features of the Educator app. The Educator app is full of ideas you can use, including activity ideas and an overview of each app. Let's take a look. The first tab of the Educator app has the STEM map. Here you will see the different children's app icons. A new page will open when you select one of these icons. At the top of the screen, you will see the Educator overview. Tap on the More button to see more information about the app, including links to the Early Years Learning Framework, or EYLF, as well as links to the Australian Curriculum for Foundation. Back on the STEM map screen for App 1, you will see a short description of the topic along the top and ideas for families along the bottom. The middle section has a range of activities you can do with children. You can see it is structured using our Experience, Represent, Apply model, or ERA for short, with these listed down the left-hand side. From there you can scroll across the screen. This will show you the different concepts that are the focus for on-app activities. The activities at the top of the cluster are the experience activities. The middle are the represent activities or on-app activities, and the ones below are the apply activities. When you tap on an icon, you can see the activity with a full description, as well as what STEM practices it uses and how the activity relates to the EYLF. If you want to bookmark the activity, you can press the heart symbol in the top left of the screen. I'll show you where you can find your favorited activities shortly. The next tab along the Educator app is the Activity Finder tab. This provides an alternative view of the activities. It allows you to browse all of the activities across all of the apps. Similar to the STEM map, if you select an activity, you will see a more detailed view of it. There is a search bar along the top. If you are looking for something specific, type in a keyword. You can also filter activities by the type and ones you have already favorited. Or you can sort the activity in different ways. The middle tab is the Children's tab. In previous videos, we have covered how to set up your group and individual children's profiles. The next tab is the Support tab. Here you can log out of the Educator app by going to Account Settings, Sign Out. You can also get a pairing code by going to Connect to Children's Apps, as we have already shown you in our pairing app video, and you can find other resources. Finally, there is the About tab. Here you can find some information about ELSA, including our pedagogical model, information about the STEM concepts that the apps are informed by, and other useful pieces of information, including videos. And that's it. The ELSA Educator app is a hub for ideas while also allowing you to manage the use of the children's apps.